So let's go and write a script for our enemy. So now let's here make it two variable. Here private vector3 and start position. The next variable will be public because we want to have access on it in Unity. So we make it public vector3 and so target position. So our object will be moved between the start and target position. So now we need to make a speed for that. Public float move speed and also private tool moving toward target position. So now in the start function we want to set our initial start position. So here we will say start position and is equal our transform dot position of our object will be the start position. And then moving toward target position is equal to 2 and it should be so 2. So now we want to update the moving every single frame, so that's why we come into our update function and here we will say if so moving toward the target position is equal to now here in transform the position is equal to vector3 dot move toward and inside we need the 3 parameter, the start position, target position, and speed there. So transform the position for the start position. Then we need the target position and then speed, how fast our object should move. So move speed multiply by time dot delta time. We use time dot delta time because we want to move it per second and not move it per frame. That's why we use move speed multiply time dot delta time. And now we want to check if our object in the target position. So here we will use another if transform dot position is equal to target position. So if our object in target position, then so moving toward moving toward target position is equal to false because we are right now because our object is in target position. So it should be false at this point. Now we want to back from the target position to start position again. So here we say else. Now this is a challenge for you. We need to write the same code, but instead of the target position, we want to go to the start position and moving toward the target position that here is false. There will be true. So now I will pause the video and hope you can do this challenge. So hope you could do this challenge. So I will copy this line, paste it here. Then instead of target position, I will make it to a start position. The rest is the same. And here, if the transform instead of target, we are at the target position, we are at the start position. If transform.position is equal to start position, then moving toward the target position is true. So this code means when we are at the start position and we are moving toward target position, and when we reach at this point, so let me delete it. At this point, we will be at B position. Now we want to back to our start position. So we are then going from this code, we are going back to our up position. And here at up position, we have the moving toward the target position is 2. That means then we are coming down and up, down and up. So now let's see it in pack this. So let's save it. And let's go back to the game. So in the star, we have a move speed. I will say at 3 move speed. Now let's bring our saw to the other side. I make it fear 4. So when I say the start position will be at 2. Then I want it to coming down. So here we will make it also a target position at fear. We don't want to any changes in the X position. And the Y position, we want it at, we have 2, maybe minus 4. Let's see how is it. Okay, it was a little bit, make it 3 or make it 2. And the reason that he moved to down is not in the same direction, because in the enemy here we need to make position to also at 0. So now our star should move up and down. So to avoid this mistake that every time we get the problem, we need to do, because we want, when we try to move the enemy, we will have the same error. See, if I move the enemy to this position. Now when we start it, we will have this problem. So what we do, we give the script, this script to our enemy. And I will remove this enemy script from here. And I will make it also 0, 0, 0. It's also the both of them at 0 position. Now I will bring the our enemy folder to around 2 position and Y at 3 position. Here we don't want to change any in X position, so I will let it at 2. Then here we make it -1. Now our player needs to jump above it and don't get hit with this saw. So as you see, here will be our start position and here will be our target position. So now our saw move toward the target position and then back to the start position. So in the next video, we are going to do a damage. That means when our player hit that saw, he get damage and he will die.